Ngayon, malinaw na kung ano ang magiging resulta ng impeachment trial ni VP Sara Duterte. Malamang pabor sa kanya. Dahil nga naman sa galing ng depensa, napaamin ang witness doon sa 2 oras na video. Si VP Sara lang? Yung banta lang ni VP Sara ang inimbestigahan? Ito, panoorin po natin ang ganap kahapon. Ito, ang video.
Sir, did you investigate the threats to Attorney Zulaika's life?
We need a complaint for this one. That's why
Yes or no, sir? Did you investigate?
we did not, because there's no
You did not.
complaint.
Okay, thank you.
The motto pro.
No question, sir.
If the witness may be allowed to answer, Your Honor.
I had no question.
Already answered.
Did you consider this part in making your evaluation in the revised affidavit?
Asked and answered. He said
This is a
yes
different
earlier.
part, Your Honor. This is a
There's
different part. Did you
Witness may
consider
answer.
this part in your evaluation in the revised affidavit of investigation dated February 10, 2025?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so despite considering these parts of the aforesaid videos, the NBI still recommended the filing of complaints for grave threats and inciting to sedition only against the Vice President. Yes?
May I qualify my answer, sir?
No, sir. Yes or no?
There's a reason why
Sir, your counsel may ask you questions. This is my turn.
Proper
Sir?
subject matter for redirect.
So, despite
Counsel,
considering these parts of the videos shown to you, the NBI still recommended the filing of complaints for grave threats and inciting to sedition against only the Vice President.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the revised affidavit of investigation dated February 10, 2025, in page 15, paragraph 40 thereof, it is stated there, and I quote, "We unanimously believe that Vice President Duterte may be held liable for grave threats defined and penalized under Article 282 of the Revised Penal Code and inciting to sedition defined and penalized under Article 142 of the Revised Penal Code in relation to RA 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. You see that, sir, right?
Yes, sir.
This conclusion was reached by you together with other affiants of the revised affidavit of investigation dated February 10, 2025, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, you mentioned that you're not a lawyer, right?
Asked and answered.
Asked and answered.
To date,
One
we are
counsel.
are you aware if any court has convicted the Vice President for grave threats over what transpired on November 23, 2024?
As far as I know, not yet, sir.
Not yet.
As far as you
Your Honor,
know. Mr. Witness, as far as you know, no.
No, sir.
Proceed, counsel.
To date, thank you, Your Honor. To date, are you aware if any court has convicted the Vice President for inciting to sedition over what transpired on November 23, 2024?
No on my personal knowledge, sir.
Thank you. But you're the complainant.
Mukhang biglang namutla ang witness Ganyan kagaling si Attorney Narbasa. Ngayon pa lang, alam na natin kung anong magiging resulta dyan. Yung video nila, yung witness nila. Tapos gusto ipa-impeach si VP Sara? Alam naman natin. Para hindi lang mapag-usapan yung maanomalyang flood control project, dapat yun ang unahin. O ngayon, dito sila busy sa impeachment trial. Yung ginastos dyan, pera din ng taong bayan. Ihinto nyo na yan. Kahit kayo, alam naman kung anong magiging resulta dyan. Dito na, thank you. Bye-bye.